Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you sell products in different sizes, colors, or even styles, product variants are a must. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to add product variants in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go look for Squarespace in your favorite browser and log in using your email, address, and password. As for now, you're just gonna go all the way and select your website so you can basically edit it. We're gonna go to products and services here, then we're gonna go and select products. So, as for now, if you have a physical type products, you can go all the way to physical here, then add physical product. But for you guys, you will be able to see an edit button since you already have items and all of this. Go to edit. Then as you see here, on the inventory list, we have this price on sale, stock, unlimited stock. We also have this different versions of the same product. For example, a shirt that comes in multiple colors or sizes. All you're gonna do is tap on add, then add the color here. Then you can basically give a variant, then add options, select the price. After you are fully done from this, tap on save. You can basically go and see this organization, options, selling tools, marketing, and even more options. When you are fully done, as I told you before, don't forget about the save button. You should always hit it when you are fully done, and that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.